Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create multiple text box of the same size in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show create multiple text box in the same size. Now go to the home menu option, then select from text box. Draw. Now draw text box. Now type from text. Now go to the drawing tool format option, then click for shape outline, then choose color, then again click for home menu option, then click for draw text box. Now again others. Now type from text. Now go into the format option, then click for it. Then I show create from two text box, then again other text box, draw. Now draw text box. Now type from text. Now click for format option, then click for shape outline, then choose color. Then we show create multiple text box. This multiple text box the same size. Now select from multiple picture. Now keyboard press shift. Now select from every multiple picture. Now going to the format option again. Now click for height option. Now press from 2, then again press from 2. That it's. Now you can see multiple text box the same size in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy that video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.